Student, this is Vasu Amit Banchor, your IT teacher. Welcome to online classes, session 2020-21. So, student, last class we had learned about the attributes of body tag. So, today we'll learn the list. List Lists are good way to structure data in HTML document. List can be display a list of items like menu, summary, outlines, this type of contents document. And HTML list, three types of lists are there to create to put in the web page: unordered list, order list, and description list. So come to the unordered list. Unordered list, the tag indicate angular bracket under UL. An unordered list is having attribute type, and type is having value disk, square, and circle. Unordered or bulleted list means unordered list is also known as bulleted list. Unordered or bulleted list are used when the items in the list need not be specific order. An order list is enclosed with the UL tag, and close UL tag means it is a container tag. Each item in the list is given as li tag. We can use the type of attribute to specify the types of bullets we want in this list. The list item will be marked with bullet small black circle by default. So students, that unordered list means suppose we are writing any points and we are simply giving the sign. Sign means see here dark circle bullet, then square bullet, circle bullet, like this you had seen this circle square. So if you means this when we are writing the points and we don't want any specific to put any in specific order, then we are using this unordered list. And these are the sign of unordered list: this sign, square sign, and circle sign. If you want to show any sign while writing the unordered list, so you can use this attributes disk, square, and circle. And how to write means here each item, that each line you are writing, giving the writing the list, that you indicate with the help of li tag. So here UL under angular bracket UL, type is the attribute of UL, and here in curly bracket circle, disk, square is written. So any one you have to choose, not all the three. And then close the angular bracket, then li is used to write the list. List means suppose you are writing that science, maths, commerce, like this if you are writing. So with the help of this li tag you can write the list of your contents. So how to write the unordered list? See here, document type HTML, then HTML body tag, then h2. h2 is used for heading text, heading level. Heading level, how many heading levels are there? 1 to 6. So under h2, here h2 is not compulsory to write here. If you want to write h1, then you can write h1, and if you don't want to give any heading line, so no need to give here. Then UL type disk, here this is the by default type. If you are not giving any attribute in UL tag, so by default this attribute will display in the browser. So here li science, li humanities, li commerce, and then another list tag is closed here, then body tag closed and HTML closed. And then see the output here, another list HTML list is printed here, displayed here. And then after this science, humanity, and commerce, see the sign here, this sign is printed here. So if you want to show the in place of circle, this sign, circle sign, so here attribute you can write type equal to circle. Like this we are writing the code. Now come to the order list. Order list, OL tag indicates attribute type, start, and values. An order list is one where items are in a specific order and need to be numbered. Such as list could be used to give the list of items and number the step in produce, procedure, etc. Like this you can write. If you want to give your points in number order, so you can write with the help of order list. And order list indicate OL. OL, that type attribute is having OL is having type attribute, start, and value. Here the series number indicates types of series could may uh, could be any one from the table given below. Attribute this. Then description type. What is the use of type? Changes the symbol used with the list. It takes the value as the symbol itself, that is it can be a, small a, capital I, or small I, or 1. So it's your wish to give any value from here, because if you write the list list, and if you start writing the list as alphabets or number or Roman number, you can choose from here. And then start. What is the use of start? The start attribute is used to begin the list from a particular number. It is used along with the oval tag. It specifies the start value of an order list. Example, oval type 1 and start 3, or oval start 50, like this. Suppose if you are writing some list, some topic, if you want to continue from the another list, so you can use start tag. Suppose you had given 3 items, and type you had given A, B, A, alphabets. So list, if you are writing A, B, C, 3 list item you are writing, then A, B, C will print it. Then again you want to continue. For continue you can write start. Use start attribute equal to, from where to start your list, from D. If you want to start from D, then you can give start equal to D, then the another list will display from D. Then value. The value attribute is used to begin the list from a particular value. It is used along with the allied tag. It can be used when you start, when you want to change the value in between the list. If you want to change some values, then you can give in between this ally tag. So like this, all the attributes description we explained. Now come to the program. Here, oval. How to display oval? Oval tag is used, LI, science, humanities and commerce. Then by default 1, 2, 3 is printed. By default 1, 2, 3. That unordered list, by default this sign is printed. Here in order list, by default number sign is printed. And if you want to display in place of number, Roman number, so you can type oval space type and then equal to, give your capital I. So you are knowing na, Roman number means capital I. You are repeating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So see the order list output 1, 2, 3 matrix given here. Then next here, next program example number 2, it is given oval type equal to A. So we want the list item start as small letter A. Since see the output, A, B, C, D is written here. A north, B south, C east and D west. Like this the list will be displayed. Then HTML definition list DL tag. DL tag, a definition list, is a list of terms with a definition of each term. A definition list is enclosed with the angular bracket. DL and DL close means definition list. DL is used for DL tag is used for definition list. It is written DL inside the angular bracket. What is the use of this? The definition we are writing. Definition first we are giving the heading, and then after heading we are writing the description or definition of that topic. So like this, if you want to write in web browser, so with the help of this DL tag we can write. How to write DL? First you open the DL tag, then inside the DL tag you have to give use two tags, DT and DD. DT means define terms, which topic you want to define, and then DD means that topic description. Suppose it is written here DT science, so about science you are describing, so under the science DD tag will use, and then under the DD tag you can give the description of your definition. Like this we have to write the code of description list. Then come to the subscript. Subscript means what? The subscript tag is used a lot of scientific web pages. The text to be subscribed enclosed within the text. Subscript and superscript. Subscript means suppose that you are writing one chemistry formula H2O. H2O you have seen, then H, then below 2 is written there, then O. So that 2, if you want to print that 2 in your web browser with the help of HTML code, so you have to use the superscript tag, subscript tag. And then what is the use of superscript? If you want to write the maths formula a square equal to b square, so with the help of this superscript tag, you are able to display to the power 2 in your web browser. So like this you have to write the code. Superscript and subscript code sub enclosed with angular bracket, and it is having the close tag also, and superscript sup in between the angular brackets, and it is also having a close tag. So like this you have to write the code, and this is the example of superscript and subscript. So student, next class will learn how to insert an image in a web page. Thank you.